People are using AI to make money, every single day. And no, you don't need to be a coder or a tech expert. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start making money with AI, from freelancing to YouTube, even while you sleep. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the easiest way to start making money, freelancing with AI tools. You can now offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com, without being a pro designer or writer. Here are examples of services you can offer. Blog writing using ChatGPT. Voiceovers using ElevenLabs. Thumbnail design using MidJourney. YouTube scripts or ad copy with Claude 3. These are all high-demand gigs, and people are paying $20, $50, or even $200 plus per job. First, next is content creation, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. AI can now help you create entire videos without showing your face. Here's the process. Write a script using ChatGPT. Generate voice using ElevenLabs or Open Voice. Create visuals using Pika, Runway ML, or stock footage. Edit everything with CapCut or Descript. You can build a faceless YouTube channel, like Creepy Stories, Tech Explainers, Top 5 Facts, AI News. Monetize through AdSense, affiliate links, or digital product sales. Next. You can also sell AI-generated products online. This includes ebooks written with ChatGPT, digital art from MidJourney, print-on-demand t-shirts using AI designs, audiobooks with AI voices, courses or guides built with AI help. Sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Amazon KDP. This next method is for those who want to go bigger, using AI as a service. You don't have to build the AI, you just integrate or white label existing tools. Some ideas. Create a resume building tool using ChatGPT. Build a logo maker using dollmiddle.io or MidJourney. Launch a niche AI chatbot, for example, for real estate, then monetize through subscriptions, ads, or client packages. Here are some passive income ideas using AI. Build a YouTube automation channel, outsource everything using AI. Create and sell AI prompt packs. Launch a newsletter powered by Gemini or ChatGPT. Make an AI-themed blog using SEO plus ChatGPT written articles. These take some time up front, but they can make money while you sleep. AI isn't just changing the world, it's changing who gets to make money. Whether you're working 9 to 5 or just starting out, now is the time to use these tools to build something for yourself. Which method are you most excited about? Comment below. If you want step-by-step tutorials on any of these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. AI